Changing your subscription on Spryker is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully update your subscription. Step 1. Log in. Access your Spryker account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to change your subscription. Step 2. Navigate to subscription settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings or subscription management section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile option. Step 3. Review current subscription. In subscription settings, review your current plan details. Take note of the features and pricing to help you decide on the new subscription you want. Step 4. Select new subscription. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new subscription, follow the prompts to confirm the changes. You may need to enter payment information or agree to new terms before finalizing the update. Once you have completed these steps, your subscription will be updated. Make sure to check for any confirmation emails or notifications regarding your new plan.